Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to my channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I made in the month of August. I know September is almost out of here, but there is no time like the present. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. I have 9 projects to share. This is by far the most that I have sewn in 1 month. So, which is probably why I haven't sewn anything in September. But let's just go ahead and hop into the video. The first project I'm going to share is this denim jacket that I'm wearing. This project I completed in August and I just love it. I get so much wear out of this denim jacket. It was one of those projects where I was like, it's time to step your game up, Brittany. Let's go ahead, get a denim jacket in, because it's something that kind of like intimidated me a little bit. So I was so happy that I not only made it, but I just love it. I love it. This is definitely top 1, 2, 3 of my favorite all-time projects, and I just love it. This was a simplicity pattern. It took me about 3 days to make it, and total hours, about 8 hours to get it done. So I just broke that time up throughout the 3 days. And I'm pretty sure it would have took me a lot longer, possibly, if I did not follow along with Nora's tutorial that he has available for this simplicity pattern. That tutorial is absolutely amazing. So if you want to make a denim jacket, I would highly recommend watching that, especially if you feel maybe a little intimidated by the whole project. He simplifies it, makes it so easy to follow along with. So yeah, that's probably one reason I was able to get it done in 3 days. But I just love this. Look, y'all can see my mic. But I just love this jacket so much. I put a little embroidery here on it. It says "with love" with the heart. So yeah, it's one of my favorite projects. I wear it not every day, but it definitely gets a lot of wear. I've worn it to church, over a dress, jeans, t-shirts, like it gets a lot of wear. So this was the first project and it's by far one of my favorites. Love it. The second project that I made was this super cute dress right here. This was a MCCALLS pattern and it's just a cute little sundress. Cute little sundress. It has the little ties at the shoulder. I believe I put pockets in this. Did I? Yes. Of course I did. It has pockets in it. The pattern has other views. I think one maybe has the different kinds of straps and the different necklines for the bodices. But they're all super cute. So if you want a nice little sundress, then that pattern's great. This fabric was gifted to me from fashionfabrics.com. I did a post for them, so they gifted me this fabric and I just loved it. I don't know if it's still available, but I will check, and if so, I'll put it down for you in the description box, as well as the pattern numbers. Check the description box if you missed any. So again, this was the second project that I made. Cute little sundress. Yeah, that's about it for this one. Yes, that fabric was from fashionfabrics.com. This fabric, this denim, I already had it in my stash, so I didn't have to go out and buy new fabric for this. The next 2 projects were from Simplicity 8995. I did a collaboration with Madeline Intimates for her new Madeline for Simplicity pattern. I did both of the sew-alongs. So I did the sew-along for this top here. Has a cute little ruffle detail, and I did the sew along for these pants. I'm obsessed with these pants. I wear these pants all the time. I actually made another pair of them. I just have to photograph them and share it. But I love the little ruffle detail on the hem. It has pockets, elastic pull-on. Yes. This fabric I ordered from Fashion Fabrics. I ordered it from fabric.com, but it was a while ago. I had this in my stash for about a year. I was just kind of holding on to it. And this fabric, I believe, is a rayon. It's a rayon. And I had it in my stash, like I said, so I don't know if it's still available, but it was just one of those fabrics I just held on to, and then I was like, oh, this is the perfect project for it. So yeah, I love these pants. I wear them all the time. The fabric that I use for the top, I purchased it from my local Joann's. It's just a rayon jersey, so it's super soft, super lightweight and drapey. So yeah, that's what I use for this top. The next 2 4. The next two projects are from Simplicity 8994, which is the new Mimi G for Simplicity patterns. And I made this jacket here, which I just love. Love this jacket. I'm obsessed with the pockets on it. The pockets are amazing. I love this big collar here. This fabric I purchased from Joann's, my local Joann's, as well as the lining. Everything for this came from Joann's. The rib knit as well came from Joann's. So this was the first project from that pattern. Here's the skirt. Don't mind the wrinkles. I literally pulled it out of the dryer. But that just goes to show you that I actually wear my garments. But this was the denim skirt that I made. This was View C on Simplicity 8994. And I think this skirt is super cute. I had some concerns, or I heard some concerns in my post as far as the length of the skirt. But I think it's a nice length. I didn't have any, I didn't feel like it was too short. I felt that it was actually the perfect length for a nice little short denim skirt for me. And this skirt has the same pockets that the jacket has, which I thought was super cute. And for fabric, this is leftover fabric from my denim jacket. So I was a little resourceful. I had enough left over to get a skirt out of it. So that was great. So those were, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is project 5 and 6 for August. And again, there are videos, sew-alongs for both of these. So if you want to make your own and you want to follow along with a video, click the link in the description box and it'll take you right to it. So that was 5 and 6. This is 7 and 8, and this is another set. This is a linen set that I made using Simplicity 8985. It's videos available for both of these garments as well. They're over on Mimi G's channel, the same as the other two. Love this set. I love it. I love it. I love them together and I love them separate. I used a linen from my local Joann's. I purchased that to make these garments and I just love it. I love that this duster here, this lapel on it. Love that. I love that it has elastic only in the back and it doesn't go all the way around the duster. I thought that was a cute detail. These pants are gathered, super cute, and pockets. Yes, everything has to have pockets. It has a back zipper, the closures. So yeah, super cute wide leg pants. Love them. And like I said, they work well together as well as separate. So that's also always great when you can sew something and you can pair it together or you can have it as separate. So that was garment 7 and 8 for the month of August. And again, there's sew-alongs available for both of these. And the last garment that I made, I'm sorry if y'all are hearing jets. Y'all know I live on an air station, so don't mind the jets and the noise. The last one that I made was this super cute maxi skirt. I wear this a lot. Both of these fabrics that I used, the contrasting fabric and the main fabric, came from Joann's, my local Joann's. And it's like a crinkle rayon. So that's what those are. I love this skirt. I am going to have to go back in and tighten up the elastic because it's kind of heavy. In my opinion, it's a little heavy. So it kind of like slides down as I'm wearing the skirt throughout the day. But other than that, it is super cute. And there's also a sew-along available for this one. This sew-along, though, is an exclusive video for my newsletter subscribers. So if you are subscribed to my newsletter, you probably already got this. If you're not and you want the sew-along, then all you have to do is click the link in the description box and you can subscribe. It's free. I send out a sew-along once a month, only to my newsletter subscribers. So this was the one that I sent out for the month of August. And yeah, super cute maxi skirt. There's no pockets on this one, but it's still cute nonetheless. And I get a lot of wear out of it. So yeah, that is it. I know that was quick. I tried to get through everything and get to the facts about it. The fabric, the pattern. Tried to get to the facts as quick as possible in this video. So I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions for me, just let me know below in the comments. Comment below and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.